Buying a Resin 3D printer can feel deceptively simple at first. You see resolution numbers, build sizes, maybe a few flashy features, and it seems like a straightforward upgrade path. But once you start comparing models, it quickly turns into a mix of trade-offs around reliability, setup friction, and how much effort you're actually willing to put into getting consistent results. In this video, we'll break down what actually matters when choosing a Resin 3D printer, and then walk through the budget, value, and premium picks that make the most sense right now. We've included updated links with the best pricing in the description below. When you're choosing a resin printer, one of the more overlooked factors is how much consistency you get without constant adjustment. Resolution numbers like 10K or 16K sound impressive, but in practice, print success rate and stability tend to matter more day to day. A common mistake is chasing higher resolution without considering how often prints fail or need tweaking. Another factor is workflow simplicity. Resin printing has more steps than filament printing, so features like automatic leveling, sensors, or monitoring tools can make a noticeable difference over time. It's easy to underestimate how much these small conveniences add up, especially if you're printing regularly. The third factor is print size versus realistic use. Larger build volumes sound appealing, but they also introduce more variables and longer print times. Many people end up using only a fraction of the available space, so it's worth thinking about whether you actually need the extra capacity. We looked across a wide range of popular and well-established options in this category. Many are capable, but once you factor in consistency, ease of use, and how well they fit into a typical workflow, a smaller group stands out more clearly. Here are the 3 picks that make the most sense for most buyers. If you find this breakdown helpful, feel free to drop a quick like and subscribe for future reviews like this. Starting with the Anycubic Photon Mono 4, which is the best budget Resin 3D printer in the $190 to $240 range. This sits right at the entry point where you still get strong detail without overcomplicating the setup. What stands out here is the 7-inch 10K Mono LCD, which allows for very fine detail and smooth surface quality in smaller prints, making it a strong fit for miniatures or detailed models. The light turbo light source helps maintain consistent exposure across the build plate, which can reduce visible layer inconsistencies and improve overall print clarity. You also get a well-sized build volume that's practical for everyday use without pushing into oversized territory, and the updated build platform improves adhesion while still keeping removal manageable. It also includes a straightforward leveling approach that only needs to be done once in most cases, along with a resume printing function that can help avoid wasted material during interruptions. The trade-off is that the print volume is still relatively compact, so larger projects may need to be split up. Overall, this is a very approachable starting point that focuses on delivering clean, reliable prints without adding unnecessary complexity. Next is the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra, which is the best value pick in the $280 to $350 range. This is where you start to see meaningful improvements in both usability and performance without jumping too far up in price. The 9K Mono LCD delivers detailed results with strong texture fidelity, while the tilt release system helps speed up printing by making layer separation more efficient. The automatic leveling system simplifies setup significantly, allowing you to spend more time printing rather than calibrating. You also get an AI camera that monitors prints in real time, helping catch issues early before they turn into failed jobs. Additional smart features like residue detection and resin monitoring help reduce interruptions and keep the process more consistent over time. The trade-off here is that while the added features improve convenience, overall results can still depend on dialing in the right settings for your specific setup. For most people, this ends up being the default recommendation because it strikes a strong balance between performance, automation, and day-to-day usability. Finally, the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is the best premium pick in the $520 to $650 range. This is where you start getting both higher-end performance and a more refined overall experience. The 16K Mono LCD allows for extremely fine detail and smoother surfaces, particularly on larger prints, while the increased build volume makes it possible to handle bigger or more complex projects in a single run. The built-in tank heating system helps maintain optimal resin conditions, which can improve consistency and reduce common print defects. You also get automatic leveling, tilt release technology for faster printing, and an AI monitoring system that helps keep track of print progress and potential issues. The trade-off is that larger printers tend to require more space and benefit from a more controlled environment to perform at their best. But if you're working on larger models or want the highest level of detail with fewer compromises, this is the kind of upgrade that starts to make sense. We've included links to each of these options in the description below with current pricing. Hopefully this helped narrow things down and make the decision a little clearer for what actually fits your workflow.